Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. In the last class, we discussed about the problem of the king. So, first, I will read the lesson. Listen carefully. But then other said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king, therefore, would have to go to magicians. In their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors, others said the priest. A few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. To the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet others religious worship. As the answers to his question were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people. And so the king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. The king went to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer three questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. When the king had dug two beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. The hermit gave no answer but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade, and said, Now you rest and let me work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. So, next, in detail, I will explain. So, in a last class, we discussed about the problem of the king. The problem of the king was his three questions. That was, what is the right time to begin something? Who are the people he need most? What matters are the most important to him? And what matters are the most? Who are the people he need most? What matters are the most important to him? So he asked answers for his questions by the most intelligent people from his kingdom. Many of intelligent men answers to him differently. Somebody says to him he must and should have a ministers of council to advise him at the right time for answer to the first question. But then there are some urgent works. So these works are not wait for the decision of the council. We have to do the right action for a right time for the benefit of the future. So these only magicians could do that. Here magicians means who have a supernatural power to know all the things So many of wise man answers to his second question, that is, who are the people the king need most? Some says counselors, others said the priest, few others says doctors, some others said soldiers because of protection. Next answer to the third question is, what matters are the most important to the king? The third question is, what matters are most important to the king? Somebody says that science is important, somebody says that fighting is important, and then others said that religious worship is important for the king. So all the answers of questions were so different. King was not satisfied with answers, so he didn't give any reward to anyone. So he decided to take the advice of the hermit. He was well known for his intelligence in his kingdom. Hermit means a person who lives alone and leads a simple life in a forest. The king went to the hermit with a wearing ordinary clothes. In the middle of the forest, he left his horse and also a bodyguard, went alone. So when the king reached the hermit house, he saw hermit was digging the ground. He was too old and weak, so he breathed heavily. Hermit see the king and greeted, then he continued his work. King was asked to hermit, I want your suggestion. I came with you because you have to answer my three questions. That is, my first question is, how can I learn things at a right time? And then my second question is, who are the people I need most at the right time? And then my last question is, which matters or which business are the most important to me? Hermit listened all the questions of the king, but he didn't answer to the king. So he continued his work digging with an agriculture tool, that is spade. Suddenly king said that, you are so tired, hermit, please give me your tool. I will help you, and also I will work in your place. Hermit said thanks to the king, and he gave spade to the king and take rest on the ground. After some time, the king was completed the two small patches of the ground for plants. He again repeated his question, but hermit didn't give any answer to the king. But he stretched his hand for the spade and said to king, now you rest, let me do the work. But the king didn't give the spade. Instead, he do the digging. The time was past. The sunset was began. The king threw the spade into the ground and said to the wise man, please answer to my questions, otherwise I will return home. The hermit was never said answer to the question. Instead, he said, see there was a coming here. So this is the first part of your lesson. I will continue second part in the day after tomorrow. I ask you questions about in the first part. You have to write answers for these questions. First question is, why did the king want to know answers to three questions? Why did the king want to know answers to three questions? Second, messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. Option A, to fetch wise man, to find answers to the question, to look for the wise hermit, to announce a reward for those who could answer the question. You have to choose your answer. Then the third question is, how did people answer to second question of king? How did people answer to second question of king. Who was important to the king? Who was important to the king? Fourth question is, why did king was not give reward to anyone? Why did king was not give reward to anyone? Fifth question is, in which tool hermit was used to digging the ground? In which tool the hermit was used to digging the ground? You have to write the questions in your homework book and then answer. Okay, thank you.